This is incredible, guys. I'm hosting a free training that reveals my proven and battle-tested formula that anybody could use from any part of the world to start and grow a profitable online business. If you have been looking to start an online business, you are confused and don't even know where to start, then this free training is for you. All right, so if you are interested, click the link below to sign up and attend the training for free. But please, if you know you cannot attend this training, you are lazy and you are not serious with your life, please don't sign up. Don't waste my time and don't waste my money. But if you are serious and you are interested, click the link below to sign up for free. I can't wait to see you in class. But before you go, who am I and why should you even listen to me when it comes to online marketing, internet marketing as a whole? My name is Kelvin King. I'm an experienced online business owner. I've been doing business online profitably since 2010, and ever since that time, I've generated multiple millions from selling various products and services online. I've also trained thousands of people all across the globe to start their own profitable online business. I'm also the founder of Sabi Mentors, an online platform that empowers people to acquire high-income digital skills. When it comes to online marketing, I can definitely help you. So if you're interested, click the link below to sign up for this free training and attend the training. It will change your life forever. I can't wait to see you in class, guys. Peace out. Boom.